Most people think bananas and plantains are basically the same thing. Same shape, same color, same fruit, right? Wrong. Using the wrong one can ruin a meal, spike your blood sugar, or completely change the nutrition you're getting. Today, we're breaking down the real difference between bananas and plantains, and by the end of this video, you'll never mix them up again. Welcome to Consumer's Choice Top 5, where we expose food myths and help you make smarter everyday choices. If you like honest comparisons, hit subscribe and like this video. Let's get into it. Here's where the confusion starts. Bananas and plantains come from the same plant family. They look alike, grow on similar trees, and are often stocked right next to each other. But that's where the similarities mostly end. Think of it like this. A banana is meant to be eaten raw. A plantain is meant to be cooked. Plantains are starchier, firmer, and far less sweet than bananas, especially when green. In many cultures, plantains are treated more like potatoes or rice, not fruit. Let's talk taste, because this is where mistakes happen fast. Bananas are soft, sweet, creamy, get sweeter as they ripen. Perfect for smoothies, oatmeal, baking, snacks. Plantains are firm, starchy, mild or savory when green. Slightly sweet only when very ripe. Perfect for frying, boiling, baking, chips, stews, and side dishes. Pro tip: a green plantain tastes nothing like a banana. Try eating it raw and you'll understand immediately. This is where the difference really matters. Calories and carbs. Bananas are lower calories, quicker digesting carbs. Plantains are higher calories, heavier starch load. Fiber. Plantains contain more fiber, especially when green. That means slower digestion and longer fullness. Sugar. Bananas are naturally higher in sugar. Green plantains are very low in sugar. Vitamins. Both provide potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C. But plantains edge out in complex carbs, making them more filling. Let's make this practical. Choose bananas if you want. A quick energy boost, pre-workout fuel, easy digestion, a sweet, healthy snack. Choose plantains if you want. Longer-lasting energy, better blood sugar control, a filling side dish, a rice or potato substitute. Low carb or keto? Neither is ideal, but green plantains spike blood sugar less than ripe bananas. Weight loss? Portion control matters, but bananas are easier to overeat due to sweetness. Here are the biggest mistakes people get wrong. Using plantains in smoothies, eating green plantains raw, frying bananas and expecting a savory dish, assuming same fruit equals same nutrition. These mistakes lead to bad taste, digestive discomfort, unwanted blood sugar spikes. Around the world, bananas are snacks and desserts, while plantains are staple foods. In Africa, the Caribbean, and Latin America, plantains are used daily, fried, mashed, boiled, or baked. This alone should tell you. Plantains are not just big bananas. So what's the real difference? Bananas equal sweet, soft, quick energy. Plantains equal starchy, filling, meal-friendly. They serve completely different purposes, even though they come from the same plant family. Once you know this, you'll never shop or cook the same way again. If this video provided you with useful information, help us spread the truth. Like this video. Share it with friends and relatives so they can also benefit. Subscribe to Consumer's Choice Top 5. Comment below, are you Team Banana or Team Plantain, and how do you usually eat them? For more food comparisons and consumer truth videos, watch our other videos on Consumer's Choice Top 5. Because smarter choices start with knowing the facts. We drop brand new videos every week, packed with value, insight, and surprises. Thanks for watching Consumer's Choice Top 5.